Hello, Autism Tree board. Please spare my feelings. I am very nervous. I am being completely transparent with you.
Our first question is, what does Autism Tree mean to you?
Well, for me, Autism Tree is more than simply just a safe space to get rid of my problems. It's actually far more than that as well. To me, it's about having a second family to go to without fear of judgment, because, oh, Lord knows I've been judged.
What is your favorite program that we have and why?
To be honest, it'd have to be Winter Wonderland, which also ties into my favorite memory because I still have the plushie I got all those years ago. You can ask my dad. It's called Sugar Cookie. I will never get rid of it. It is mine.
And it's a giant teddy bear?
Exactly. Back when I got it, it was like twice to 3 times my height. Now it's still almost taller than me.
Awesome. And why did you want to be an Autism Tree intern?
Well, actually, the Autism Tree Foundation got my initial diagnosis done, and I grew up on their programs, so I wanted to give back. And a little side note, I struggle a lot with self-esteem issues and stuff like that. It's pretty bad, even though it's nowhere near as bad as it was a few years back. But as I got to be in these programs, I generally think I can finally be a lot more proud of myself than when I was a wee lad. Because back then I used to lash out at everybody, no one really wanted to hang out with me, so...
You've grown a lot since then, huh?
Yes, in not only in height but maturity. Well, less the latter, more the former. I am still mentally 5. I haven't changed my mentality yet.
That's not true.
I'm 5 forever.
Okay, thanks, Nick.